Right, welcome to a quick website audit of ShoMe.ng, the real estate listing website from Mr. Rume. Blinks. My name is Ali, and basically I want to break down some of the things I see on this website that needs to be adjusted in order to make the website look more realistic, look more professional, and look more serious. So the first is the image on the background on this home page, or what we call an hero image, does not really connote the seriousness of this website. You cannot use vector images or clip arts to represent something that actually deals with serious business. So it's always best to have images of real properties that are probably under your watch already or have been sold through your website. So you need to first change this image because it doesn't really make any sense. Then another is here you can see you have another clip art here or vector image here that portrays this doesn't even portray a house. This is just something computer, laptop, people shaking themselves inside the laptop and targeting and noise, and this does not relate to real estate in any way. So this has to be changed. So the website has to actually be worked on. Now look at these properties here. These are the properties that we are supposed to have here and probably at the background here. So you need to have real properties within the website. Then here we have all this for sale, and then this is like an agency advert, something like that. 4bedroom 7 detached, for sale, for rent, for sale. I think what you should also do here is to categorize the properties and do it like a playlist on YouTube where you have popular properties for sale and popular properties for rent. So when you have landed properties for sale, and completed buildings for sale, and then completed buildings for rent. So when you do it in such a way, we can easily click on which one we want to look at. Although I know it's here in the category on the left, but you can also create a kind of grid category here where you can separate those things that for sales and for rent. Then each of these properties here that we have here, you should always have the location of the property. So brand new 5bedroom 3 detached duplex available for sale 8 months ago. Your updates, you are not supposed to put the time of your post on the website, because if you put the time of the post on the website, I can, as your customer, I can imagine or I can think maybe the property has already been sold and the property might not have been sold. So you just put the property there, and then if it's located in Abuja, put Abuja there. If it's located in, put the address, the location there. So it's not that you put the exact location there, but you can just say Gwarinpa, Abuja. You understand? Or you say Ibadan or your state, something like that. So you put the location on of the property on the website, so we will have an idea of where that property is located. So for this Panthers Real Estate Agency, it's better for you to create a banner and put it maybe somewhere here on the website, which sounds like an ad for something else, because putting your website is your website. So having an agency banner here and putting a price for real estate agents, I don't really think it's so, except if what you want to do is you want to allow agents to also advertise their products on your website, then you will create banners for them. You can have an header banner here, like a top banner here. You can have a mid banner here, just like this banner here. The mid banner here. All this has to be removed. This icon, this vectors has to be removed, and then you can actually So you can see now all these 10 months ago, doesn't really make any sense. So you have to remove the date and put an address. So buy, sell, rent properties online. Now, this year, you are supposed to take this buy, sell, rent properties online to the top here. Remove these popular properties. Put these buy, sell, rent properties online. Pack it to the top here. Take all this popular property, remove it. Put all this under this rent, put it there. So now you can see this is exactly what I just said. You can see now this is exactly what I just said. Now this one has address. Someone's have address. Why the one at the top here doesn't have address? See, that doesn't make sense when it doesn't have address, and the one that have address makes a lot of sense. So that is what we want to have here. Now this one you have 5 naira 0.60 kobo. It's supposed to be, I think this is 5.6 million or so. If it's 5.6 million, then you should make it 5.6 million, and don't you can see here you have 24 million total price negotiable. You understand? So you have to make sure that these things are consistent on the website and not just flip-flop. So explore top cities. Only put the top cities that have ads on the website. Kano doesn't have ads, remove it, don't put it. Oyo State has 10 ads. Edo does not have. The one in River State, 0 in Plateau. The one that does not have ads, remove it. Only put the cities that have ads, that you have listings under. Quick and easy search, find location. So this quick and easy search doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. So this one actually makes sense. Satisfy customers. You need to have more than 2. When you have 2 here, it doesn't make sense. When you have all these properties, you actually need at least 15, 10, minimum of 5, 10 to 15, testimonials. It will make quite a lot of sense. And you do have an app also. Wow, you have an app also. This means that we will be using this ShoMe.ng, but we really need to do some things to really boost the recognition of the website, because it has an app, both in Android and app, so this makes a lot of sense. So these are some of the things I just looked at on the website, which I think I'll still look at some other things I'll be able to discuss during our call. But for now, I think from the things I've seen, if you are the one making the edits on the website, then we can quickly make all these edits and to make a lot of sense. Now, all these links I'm just clicking on links, and it's taking me back to the top. It doesn't make any sense at all. Selling tips, buy and sell quickly, membership, but everything is just, they are linking nowhere. Doesn't make any sense at all. They are linking nowhere. And then we have about us. Let me see. Now, about us, in the about us page, you have this. Is this an image of your staff, of you and your staff, or is this just an image of that you just took on the internet? If this is an image you took on the internet, this makes absolutely no sense. You need to look for an image that relates to your business, or you put your logo there, or you put your own image there, your picture. Look for a nice suit and put it on, and put your picture there, and it represents, because you are representative of your business, represent what you need to represent. Innovative, passionate, customers and commitment, how it works. So all this, you need to be able to make sure that it makes a lot of sense. So now, what is this doing here? Team Forest, Graphic River, Code Canyon, Photo Doom. What's this doing here? This actually shows that you took this probably it's a template, and you did not even edit the template properly, and you are using this as a professional website. What is this doing here? This is totally wrong. Please, it means there is a lot of work that needs to be done on this website, because all these things, 5,000 properties, 3,265 applications. Is this true? 2,000 plus verified user. Is this true? Then this is a laptop. Here, what's the laptop doing at the background? You are selling properties. You are renting out properties. You need the consistency to be there, not just. And then when you have green as your brand color, what is blue doing here? What is pink doing here? So let's say green and black. You should have tones of green here and not pink and blue. So there has to be consistency with your website. Let me see. Blog, terms of condition, privacy policy, cookie policy, live chat. Is the live chat working? It's not working. Why do you have it there? FAQ, how to stay safe. Contact us. There are apps for chats, especially if you are using WordPress. Let me quickly check what you are using for this website. It's WordPress. So there are apps for chat if you want to have chat ability on your website. There are also ways in which you can actually add all the chat platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and probably LinkedIn, so that people can contact you from any platform that they are comfortable with. So all this, the blog is empty. Why do you have a blog when it's empty? It has to be removed. If it's empty, then remove it. So all these things have to be done properly. So when we discuss, you are going to tell me what the idea was behind you doing all this. Now, Facebook link shows terms of service / doesn't make sense. You don't even have a Facebook account for ShoMe.ng. You don't have a Twitter account. You don't have Instagram. You don't have YouTube. And you are complaining that you want traffic, you want people to come and do something on a website that doesn't have all the necessary tools and all the necessary things that needs to interlock itself with your business, so that business can easily be shown to millions of people all over the world, and people can actually search and learn about your business on the internet and also off the internet. So there is a lot to discuss, and you can see that from this quick breakdown, from this quick audit of your website, there's a lot to be done for your business to grow and your business to stand out within the real estate industry. So once I get a response from you about when you think you'll be free for us to have your video call, we are going to have the video call. And since I've done this video now to show you the things that I think has to be done, watch the video and note down all the things that probably you have been trying to do or you want to do also. Then we can actually quickly look at what's next to do, so that once you have an agreement and you decide, okay, let's go ahead, then you can make the payment for the project itself, and then we'll look at all those things I've discussed with you, and we'll start working on them one after the other until everything is being done perfectly well. And from there, your business will start to grow gradually, and before the next 3 to 6 months, you will definitely see a lot of great changes within your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I will be expecting your response. See you later. Bye-bye.